Tackling payroll is one of those unavoidable tasks that can be a nightmare for business owners. It's tedious, time-consuming, and one small mistake could land you in a lot of trouble. You got to stay compliant with regulations, be spot on with benefits and deductions, and then there's the tax situation to juggle. And while you could hire a professional to take on the headache, that costs a lot of money, but you can still make your life easier by automating everything with a payroll service that handles everything for you. And today we're taking a look at ADP, one of the top payroll services out there. I'll walk you through how it works, their plans and pricing, and some notable features, as well as some pros and cons I've picked up from personal experience using their software. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of whether ADP could be the right fit for your business.
Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel.
Now, let's get into it. All right, so if you're wondering what ADP stands for, it's shorthand for Automatic Data Processing, and they're a global company that offers cloud-based solutions for managing your personnel with tools for payroll, talent management, time tracking, taxes, and benefits admin. After starting as a manual payroll processing business in 1949, they've sustained a 70-year-long history and evolved into a major player in the HR industry. ADP went public in 1961 and has since grown to rank 227th on the Fortune 500 list in 2020. They offer HR and payroll functions as two primary services nestled within a suite of software packages that can grow and can adapt with your business as it expands. In terms of payroll, ADP software cuts down on time that you'd otherwise spend manually inputting an employee's working hours, pay rates, tax rates, and deductions into a spreadsheet. By adding everything automatically, managers or business owners can review their payroll before processing it and then can approve it for payment. And if you want to get a wider sense of how ADP could help you, you can run live interactive demos of all of their products, including their Run Payroll suite, when you sign up for small business payroll processing on their 3-month free trial. Now, as far as cost, keep in mind that ADP's pricing will depend on your business details, so you'll need to complete their pricing form online or speak to one of their sales representatives to get an exact quote. And though they officially charge a one-time setup fee of $200, they'll waive it if you ask them to. Plus, on top of that, they'll throw in your first 3 months of service for free. So let's take a closer look at ADP's payroll plan. Starting with the most affordable package, their Essential plan provides basic payroll services for startups and established small businesses. And while, like I said, pricing is calculated for each client, to give you an idea of cost, a company of 5 employees based in California would pay around $80 per month, plus an extra $3 per employee. And the Essential plan offers some really helpful features for managing payroll and HR. With this package, you can pay employees using direct deposit, checks, or debit cards. The software also helps you generate important tax forms like W-2s and 1099s and simplifies the process of reporting new hires and handling payroll for employees in different states. Plus, it can easily connect with accounting software like QuickBooks, making it simple to transfer payroll data without having to re-enter everything. And on the HR side, the Essential plan helps you to onboard new employees and gives them access to a portal where they can view their pay history and sign up for paperless pay statements. They also run background checks to verify info like social security numbers and criminal history for any candidate you consider hiring. So while basic, it's still a very comprehensive payroll solution. Next up is the Enhanced plan, which is their most popular option for payroll, and it includes state unemployment insurance and even more additional hiring tools on top of those offered in the Essential plan. They even handle check signing for you. Plus, it'll keep you updated on labor law posters so you can spend less time handling compliance. Now, if you're hiring a lot of employees, this plan is ideal because it also includes ZipRecruiter, and that means your job openings will get posted on over 100 job boards, making it faster and easier to find the right people for your team. Another great feature is job costing, which tracks, calculates, and reports on your labor costs for jobs and projects. This not only makes invoicing clients easier, but also helps you visualize which areas of your business are more or less profitable. And while prices range based on the unique details of your business, to give you a ballpark, a business with 25 employees paying bi-weekly would have an estimated rate of $115 per payroll and around $2 per employee. Then there's the Complete plan, which combines payroll and HR services and would run at around $280 a month for a company with 25 employees. The complete package includes everything offered under the enhanced plan, plus basic HR assistance, and it's got a useful tool that helps you create an employee handbook that follows all of the federal employment laws. You also get insights into salaries in your industry, so you can make sure you're paying your employees competitively. Plus, they have a huge library of HR templates and forms, as well as a toolkit that walks you through common HR tasks like hiring and firing. And if you get stuck, there's an HR help desk that you can call or email for support. And finally, ADP's most feature-packed subscription is their HR Pro plan, which gives you enhanced HR support and can be expected to cost under $300 a month for a company with 25 employees. This tier includes everything in the complete plan, plus some extra HR goodies like systems for applicant tracking and e-learning. They'll give you even more help creating your employee handbook, and they offer training courses for you and your employees on topics like workplace harassment and HR record keeping. You'll also get prepaid legal assistance and a dedicated HR support team to answer all of your questions.
If you want to check out what we're covering today, we have affiliate links in the description. Using these earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really helps support the channel.
That said, let's get into some of the features ADP offers with their plans. Now, with each ADP plan, they make it super easy to both set up and manage Google Ads and see reports and analytics to keep tabs on everything. And their payroll software automates the whole process, including all of the tax and compliance stuff. You can pull up payroll and HR reports for your business or employees, so you've got all the details on deductions, taxes, wages, and other compensation right at your fingertips. And if by any chance ADP does make an error on your taxes, they'll take care of any fines or penalties incurred from the IRS. They also help with onboarding, background checks, and new hire paperwork. Plus, employees get a Wisely Direct prepaid account with a debit card for direct deposits. For an extra fee, you can add even more services like retirement planning, time tracking, and health insurance, all through the ADP marketplace. Now, as far as my experience using ADP Payroll, getting started did take a bit longer than I expected, about 4 weeks to submit all the documents they needed and coordinate with their team. But I was impressed by the quality of their support resources and how pleasant and efficient their dedicated support team was through the whole setup. One downside I need to mention, though, is that they aren't upfront about their pricing, so it's difficult to accurately compare them to the competition. And for my needs, ADP was a bit more expensive than other options, but still competitive nonetheless. And while I used instant deposits to pay salaries and haven't had any issues, I have read some negative reviews from employers who have had their checks delivered late. Now, in terms of performance, ADP's cloud-based platform is easy to access from web or mobile, with no software downloads needed. My staff appreciated the employee dashboard, and I liked how easily ADP was able to handle the new hire paperwork that's mandatory in my state. Their customer service is also better than other payroll services I've tried, and they've even gone as far as joining me in an online meeting to help me resolve a small issue that I just couldn't figure out. I shared my screen and was able to get their input as they assisted me. Now, if you're shopping around for alternative services, I've actually tried a few other payroll options like Paychex and Gusto. And Gusto can be a great choice for small businesses because it's both affordable and user-friendly. But if your payroll is more complicated or you need a lot of customer support, it might not be the best fit. Paychex, on the other hand, offers more business insurance options than ADP, but it's not as strong in other areas like app integrations. That said, ADP provides just a wide range of payroll and HR features, great customer support, and a decades-long trustworthy reputation. And though it can be a bit more expensive than Gusto, the added features and dependability make it a better choice for small businesses, especially if you're looking to get more comprehensive tools. So to wrap things up, ADP's wide range of payroll and HR solutions makes it a great option for businesses of all sizes. Their cloud-based platform streamlines payroll processing, automates tax calculations, and helps manage benefits, time tracking, and more. Plus, ADP's flexible plan allows businesses to scale their services as they grow, whether it's through basic payroll functions or advanced HR tools like employee onboarding, labor law compliance, or background checks. And the ability to integrate seamlessly with accounting software like QuickBooks saves time and reduces errors. Plus, when it comes to customer support, they have a dedicated team to guide you through setup and handle issues as they arise. So while they may be a bit more expensive than some of the competitors, the features you get and their reliability make them a worthwhile investment. With
Customizable pricing and a 6-month free trial. ADP is a great option for businesses looking to simplify payroll while ensuring compliance with tax and labor laws.
And that's all for this review. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos just like this.
And don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered right below this video, and if you do use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel.
Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so leave your questions or comments down below, and I'll try to get back to them as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.